So one of the things that I found was really useful with the Design Data training team was their webinar on Excel and Power Queries. And I had never heard of Power Query. I always thought that was kind of a developer coder thing that sounded really scary, but the way the training team talked about it and showed some examples kind of made it approachable where I felt like I could try it out myself and explore it. And so that was really empowering, and we were able to kind of take a huge spreadsheet and slice the data and figure out what's most important, and it was able to kind of revolutionize how we produce this deliverable. It saves about half the time. It used to take us about 6 hours. We can do them in about 2 hours in most cases now. So it was a huge time saver and capacity and productivity improver for our team. And it was also just really fun for me personally to kind of learn something new instead of being intimidated by the tool.
The trainings from DesignDATA help us to boost our confidence by boosting our capability to use the software with confidence, and especially with AI and advent of AI. DesignDATA has just helped us to embrace the tools that we're using. So yeah, that's been one of the biggest confidence boosters, which is why I encourage my team to participate in as many of these trainings as possible.
Training team is one of the main reasons why we switched from our former MSP to DesignDATA, and it has been amazing for not only day-to-day productivity, kind of some big things that we've been tackling. They're always willing to work with us on the best approaches, the best softwares, making sure that we can be the most productive with what we have. On a limited budget, not always talking us into more expensive tools, but just how to leverage what we already have, what we're already using for more productivity gains, more efficiency.